Let's dive into division. Has superstars. Spark, well, if you're having fun learning with us, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Let's get. Alright, let's start dividing 86 by 2. We'll begin with the first divot, et. We must use the first divot, et, for this step. How many times does 2 fit into et? Let's count 2, 4, 6, et. It fits 4 times. Now let's or work. 4 times 2 is et. We subtract it from et, which leaves us with 0. Easy peasy. Great job, you figured out the first part. Now let's bring down the next divot, 6, to make our next number. We've got 0 from before, and we brought down the 6. Now we have 6. We're using the 6 to make our new number. How many times does 2 get into 6? Let's count 2, 4, 6. It's 3 times. Let's multiply. 3 times 2 equals 6. Subtract 6 from 6, and we get 0. We're almost done. Fantastic work, team. You're crushing it. We've used all the divots, and there's now remainder. We found our answer. 86 divided by 2 equals 43. We did it. We tackled long division and found out that 86 split into 2 equal groups is 43. You're all math whizzes. Keep practicing and you'll master long division in no time. That's all for today, Math Explorers. Keep that curiosity buzzing and deck up more fun videos on Let's Stud. See you next time, waving hand.